So you tell when you are buy new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Welcome KK squad, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'll be doing a couple hairstyles using this 16 inches Afro curly clip-ins, the color 1B, by this company called CALIEE. Hope I said it right. So this is the box that it came inside of, and this is the package that it came inside of. Also, it came with some New York Blues lashes, blue tips, and black yeah, this is a little too much for me. And also it came with a couple clip-ins in case I need extra clip-ins. And by the way, this hair was sent to me for free to review. So it's 100% human hair extension. Like I said, clip-in Afro curly 16 inches color 1B. I chose this curl type, this texture curl, because I wanted something close to my hair. Hopefully it's enough to do the hairstyles that I want to do. So let's get right into the video. I don't know, 16 inches? Can you imagine if this was 10 inches? 16 inches. Alright. Let's do it, GWAAN. So first I'll be adding water to my hair. My hair loves water. Then I'll be adding the ORS olive oil moisturizer. And then after I'll be adding the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. So I'll be using these products to moisturize my hair because my hair is dry. Now I'll be adding the Eco Styler olive oil gel around the perimeter of my hair. If you want your hair to be laid and slayed, this is the gel to use. Or the castor and flaxseed gel in the Eco Styler brand. Same. Then I'll be brushing it in because, like I said, I want my hair to be laid and slayed. Also, I'll be using a hair tie that I cut open to do a high. See, I'm adding a little more gel to my hair to keep down flyaways, and I'm also gonna be tying my natural hair. Then I make sure the clips are gripped into So this is where I'll be adding more clip-ins to my hair. As I explained earlier in the video, I make sure it's gripped. Everything is full, no space in between, braids not showing. Everything is in thing just to make the top of my hair flat and laid nice and all that extra stuff. Just for a couple minutes, like 10 to 20 minutes or so, and trust me, that hairstyle will be laid all day. So this is the final look for the second hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, I love this hair. I love the quality. It feels good. It blends right in with my hair. I love it. Anyways, stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.